Tony are here, and I just want you to know that this is my first video vlog ever. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Ting, 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 ting. And my vlog is all about makeup. And today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside my makeup kit. So let's get started. The first thing that you will see on my makeup kit is my brushes. So this is my brushes. This is my brushes. Paulit-ulit. Ito yung po yung mga brushes. And my foundation. Foundation from Ashley Shine. And my lipstick. And my setting powder. And highlighter. And eyelash. And mascara. Eyelash curler. Sorry. Di ako perfect. Walang perfect sa mundo. And my mascara from Caroline. And my liquid lippy from Caroline too. And my lip balm from LA Colors. And my 3D blush contour. It's from LA Colors then. And my pressed powder is from Showell. And my eyeshadow from Sephora. And my concealer from Everbelena. And my liquid foundation from Miniso. And my, ano pa ba meron? Ito! Primer from Tony Moly. You can see, gamit talaga siya, oh, paubos na. And, ano pa ba meron? And, may ano pala, ito. It's, ano siya, yung key siya ng makeup kit ko. Actually, itong container na Hello Kitty na to, galing to siya sa lalagyanan ng slime. Eh, nakita ko, nakasya naman yung susi, tsaka mahilig din ako sa Hello Kitty. Kaya kinuha ko na lang din, o diba? Isip lang. And, eto, my eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow and lip. Mga gusto mga lip, ganun. This one. Nasira siya eh. Nabasag na hulog ko. Ang tanga-tanga kasi ng makeup. Ito siya, oh. That one. And the other is... Wait lang! Is that one too, and parehas lang siya actually. Tapos ito, blush lang yung pagkakaiba yan. Tapos may mirror, di ba? Kabog! That one. Ano ba yan? Nag-i-English pa kasi nasa Pinas tayo, te. Oh my God! Shit! Oh my God! Marami na nababasa. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, pigmented siya. Nainis na ako kasi ang shadow ko, ayan oh. That one guys, oh. Sobrang pigmented niya. Huwag kang ang gunda. That one. And igagawin ko siya. Nainis na ako sa sarili ko. Ba ako nakita? Na-miss niyo ba ako agad? That one. And, syempre, meron kasi hindi na nagkasya sa makeup kit ko. So, nilagay ko na lang siya dito. So, naman po nito ay ito, my lip liner. One box. And my baby wipes for removing my makeup, and my mirror. And nabubulol na ako. That's it. Tagalog na nga lang. Sa araw po na ito lang po ang aking maibibigay sa inyo. Tama ba ang aking grammar? And that is for all video. At yan lang po. See you next time. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol na ako. Joke lang. See you on my next video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And welcome to my Tony babies. Love you. Babush.